Dear students, welcome you all for the video classes. In the last class, we had seen about matrix method problem, how to find out the values of the unknown with the help of matrix method. The matrix method is one which gives the correct idea about how to find out the value of the unknowns, that is x, y, z, with the help of one of the equation that is nothing but x is equal to x is equals to a inverse into b, right? X is equal to a inverse into b. That is nothing but a inverse is nothing but adjoint of capital A divided by determinant of A into b. This x gives the values either x, y, two variable, and sometimes it has three variable, that is x, y, z. That is our unknown we have to find out with the help of matrix method. Unknowns we have to find out with the help of matrix method. Now we move towards the important question, that is nothing but I will give a question, that is how to find out, just to observe 2x, important question, example 2 divided by x plus 3 divided by y, 3 divided by y plus 10 divided by z, which is equals to 4 divided by x minus 6 divided by y plus 5 divided by z, which is equals to 1. After that, 6 divided by x plus 9 divided by y minus 20 divided by z, which is equals to 2. Dear students, we have three equations, but the equations, our job is to find the value of x, y, z. Matrix method we have to find out the value of unknowns, but they are not given directly, in the sense that 1 by x, coefficient of u is nothing but 1 by x, after 1 by y, 1 by z. But before that, our job is to convert those equations into one of the simultaneous linear equation of a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d format. Correct? I will write solution. Let 1 by x is equal to some a, correct? 1 by y is equal to some b, and 1 by z is equal to some c. Then above equations becomes 2a, that is 2a, 1 by x is nothing but a, 2a plus 3b plus 10c, 1 by z is c, 10c, which is equal to 4. After that, second one is 4a, after that minus 6b plus 5c, which is equals to 1. After that, 6a plus 9b minus 20c, which is equals to 2. Correct? Then the above system of equation can be written in the form of the system of equations can be written in the form of ax is equal to b, where a is equal to, what is the value of a? A is equal to 2, 4, 6. Matrix is 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. After that, 3 minus 6, 9. 3 minus 6, 9. 10, 5. 10, 5. 10, 5 minus 20. 10, 5 minus 20. After that, the value of x is equal to, value of x is nothing but ABC. Correct? ABC. What is the value of A? A is nothing but 1 by x. Correct? 1 by x is equal to A. What is the value of A? 1 by x. What is the value of x? 1 by A. ABC. After that, the value of the constant B is nothing but, the value of the constant B is nothing but 4, 1, 2. Correct? 4, 1, 2. 4, 1, 2. Value of B is nothing but 4, 1, 2. Constants are nothing but 4, 1, 2. Now, the matrix equation is x is equal to a inverse into b. where A inverse is equals to adjoint of capital A divided by determinant of A. Adjoint of capital A divided by determinant of A. What is the value of determinant of A? Now, determinant of A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 3 minus 6, 9, 10, 5 minus 20, 10, 5, 20, which is nothing but 2 into 120, right? 6 into 2 becomes 120 minus 45 minus 3 into the value becomes minus 80 minus 30 plus 10 into value of 10 into 36 plus 36 plus 36 10 into 36. What is the value of 2? 120 minus 45. 120 minus 45 means 75, correct? 75 minus 3 into minus 110 plus 10 into 72, 10 into 72, which is nothing but 150, plus 33, 330 plus 720 plus 720. What is the value? Value which is nothing but, correct? Our job is to find the value of that value, which is nothing but what? Which is nothing but determinant of A. Determinant of A is nothing but determinant of A is 150 plus 330, 300 plus 100, 480 plus 2. 330 plus 150, 300, 100, 480, 500 plus 700 becomes 1200, which is not equals to 0. So A inverse exists. What is now our job is to find the value of adjoint of A. Now cofactor of 2, which is nothing but plus. Position is plus. What are the value? 120 minus 45. Correct. 120 minus 45, which is nothing but 75. Cofactor of 3, which is equal to position is minus. 3 is nothing but minus. What is the value? Minus 80 minus 30, which is equal to 110. After that, cofactor of 10, position is plus. What are the value? 36 plus 36, which is nothing but 72. After that, cofactor of 4, which is equal to minus. Position is minus. This value go out. What are the value? This value and this value go minus 60. After that, 90. Correct? 90, which is nothing but 150. Minus of minus, that is 50. After that, cofactor of minus 6. Position is minus plus. This value and this value get close. Minus 40, minus 60, which is nothing but minus 100. 60, 40 becomes 100. After that, cofactor of 5, which is nothing but plus minus. Position is minus. What are the values? 18 minus 18, correct? 18 minus 18, which is equals to 0. 18 minus 18 becomes 0. Cofactor of 6 plus, position is plus 15 plus 60, which is nothing but 75. 15 plus 60 becomes 75. After that, cofactor of 9, which is nothing but minus. What are the value? This value get close. 5 to 10. 10 minus 40. 10 minus 40, which is equal to 30. After that, cofactor of minus 20, which is position is plus. After minus 12, which is minus 24. Therefore, cofactor of A. Cofactor of A is equal to matrix is nothing but what? You write it as cofactor of A, which is 75 110, after that 72, after that 150 minus 100, after that 0, 75, 30, after that minus 24. These are the what we call it as a cofactor of A. Therefore, adjoint of A, ADK of A, which is equals to, you write it as here, adjoint of A is number 75, the cofactor dash. Adjoint of A is nothing but what? Cofactor dash, cofactor of A dash, which is equal to 75, 150, 75, correct? After 110 minus 100, after 30, after 72, 0 minus 24, 72 0 minus 24, 72 0 minus 24. Minus 24. Now x is equal to, x is equal to A inverse into B, which is nothing but adjoint of A divided by determinant of A into B, correct? Which is nothing but x is equal to 1 divided by 1200, the value of adjoint, that is nothing but 75, 110, 72, after that 150, after that 100, after that 100, 0, after that 75, 30, and 24 into the value of the B, or the B given is 412, correct? Which is nothing but 412, which is nothing but 1200 as it is, 75 into 4, which is nothing but 300, correct? 300 plus 150 plus 150, sorry, 150, yes, 150. After that 110, that is 440 minus 100 plus 60. After that 88, 288 minus 0 plus 0 minus 48, minus 48, 24 into 2 becomes 48. What are the values? Which is nothing but 1200, which is equals to 1200, 300, that is 600, correct? 600, which is nothing but what? 440 minus 100, 340 plus 60, that is 400, 340 plus 60, that is 400. After 288 minus 8, 248 becomes 240, correct? 240, value is 240. Then the value of x, which is x, the value of x, which implies x is equal to 1200, that is 1 by 12. 600 by 2 to get 6 ones are 6 2 is 1 by 2. After that 4 ones are 4 3 is 1 by 3. After that 12 ones are 12 2 is 12 2 is, correct? 240 divided by 240 divided by 100. What is the value? 240 divided by 1200. 0 will close. Correct? 12 2s are 12 10s. 2 ones are 2 5s. 2 5s. That is 1 by 5. Correct? 1 by 5. 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Whether it is correct or not? 1 by 5. 0 0 get cancelled. 24 ones are 24 5s are 120. But which implies x is equal to what? The value of x is nothing but, what is the value of x? X is nothing but 1 by a. Correct? X. What is the value of x? We are taken that a is equal to 1 by x. A is equal to 1 by x. A is equal to 1 by x. What are the values of b? What is the value of b? B is the constant, it is 412. Then what is the value of x? X are nothing but 1 by a. Correct? We are taken that a is equal to 1 by x. X is equal to 1 by a. We are taken that 2a. Correct? 2a like 2a 3b. A is nothing but 1 by x. A is nothing but 1 by x. But what is the value of x? X is nothing but 1 by a. Therefore, x, what is the value of x? I will write here, correct? I will write here. But A, B, C, correct? X is the name A, B, C, which is equals to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, which is the value of x. X is the name but A, B, C. Ax is equal to B. A is the name but matrix, and x is the name but A, B, C, 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by A is equal to what? 1 by x, which is equal to 1 by 2, which implies x is equal to 2. Right? B is equal to 1 by y, which is equal to 1 by 3, which implies y is equal to 3. After that, C is equal to 1 by z, which is equal to 1 by 5, which implies z is equal to what? Z is equal to 5. Z is equal to what? Z is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 5. Whether it is correct or not, once again you have to check out an equation. It will tell you, correct? Tell is 2 by x plus 3 by y plus 10 z is equal to 4, one of the equation. Substitute the value of x, 2 divided by x is 2, correct? Plus 3, y is divided by 3, plus 10 divided by z is nothing but 5, which is nothing but 2 1s are 2, 5 1s are 5 2s, 1 plus 1 plus 2, which is equal to nothing but 4. This is the tally. You have to make the equation as 1 plus 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, that is the correct value. Rest of the procedure should be same. But this is the question where the question comes under a miscellaneous part. Miscellaneous example part. So very easy, but you have to take the conclusion that the adjoint, you should perfect to find the value of adjoint. Value of finding the adjoint of a matrix. Next I will do a problem that is important question for the exam point of view. Example is the sum of three numbers is 6. If we multiply third number by 3 and add second number to it, we get 11. By adding first and third numbers, we get double of the second number. Represent it algebraically and find the numbers using matrix method. Solution. What they are given? They are given real world problem. Correct? They are given in the form of real world problem. I will explain the problem first. The sum of three numbers is 6. Sum of three numbers is equal to 6. If we multiply third number by 3 and add second number to it, we get 11, the number 11. By adding first and third numbers, we get double of the second number. Represent it algebraically and find the numbers using matrix method. Sometimes they are given the mathematical formulation, that is equations. Hence, we find out the value of x, y, z. Sometimes they are not given the mathematical formulation. You make it as a formulation, and solution is one of the simple. Correct. Before solving the question, our job is to find let x, y, z be first number, second number, and third number respectively. Let x, y, and z be first, second, and third number respectively. Third number respectively. Then the sum of three numbers is 6. Then given x plus y plus z, which is equal to 6. Sum of three numbers is equal to 6. If we multiply third number by 3, third number by 3 means 3 into z, third number by 3, and add second number to it, that is y, and add second number to it, we get 11. By adding first and third numbers, we get, by adding first and third number, by adding first and third numbers, we get double of the second number. Double of the second number. We get double of the second numbers. Represent it algebraically and find the numbers using matrix method. Then above equations can be rewritten as x plus y plus z, which is equal to 6. 0 into x plus y plus 3z is equal to 11. X plus 0 into y plus z is equal to, x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0. X minus 2y, shifting because of the shifting, plus z is equal to 0. Then above system of equations, the above system of equations can be written in the form of Ax is equal to b, where A is equal to 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. X is equal to x, y, z. B is equal to 6, 11, 0. 6, 11, 0. Next procedure is as usual. Our job is to find the matrix equation. First means that matrix equation you have to write. After that, adjoint and all those things. Correct? Now the matrix equation is, x is equal to A inverse into P, where A inverse is equal to adjoint of small a divided by determinant of A. Correct? Determinant of A. Now determinant of A is equal to, determinant of A is nothing but 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 minus 2 1 1 minus 2 1 1 minus 2 1 3 1 1 3 1, which is equals to 1 into 1 plus 6 minus 1 into 0 minus 3 plus 1 into 0 minus 1, which is nothing but 7 minus of minus plus 3 minus 1, which is equal to 9, which is not equals to 0, which is not equals to 0. So A inverse exists. A inverse exists. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 minus 1 is plus 3 minus 1. 10 minus 1 becomes 9. After that, adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. 6 plus 0. After that, adjoint of now cofactor of 1, which is equal to plus, position is plus 1 plus 6, which is equal to 7. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Cofactor of 1 minus 0 minus 3, which is equal to 3. Cofactor of 1 plus 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Cofactor of 0 plus minus 0. This value becomes 1 plus 2, which is equal to minus 3. Cofactor of 1, which is equal to minus plus. This value is 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Cofactor of 3 plus minus minus 2 minus 1, which is equal to 3. Cofactor of 1 plus 3 minus 1, which is 2. Cofactor of minus 2 minus plus minus minus 3 minus 0 minus 3. Cofactor of 1 plus 1 minus 0, which is nothing but 1. Therefore, adjoint of cofactor of A, cofactor of A, which is equals to, cofactor of A is nothing but what? 7 3 1 7 3 minus 1 minus 3 0 3 minus 3 0 3 2 minus 3 1. Therefore, adjoint of A, ADJ of A, which is nothing but 7 minus 3 2 3 0 minus 3 3 0 minus 3 minus 1 3 1 minus 3 minus 1 3 1 minus 1 3 1, adjoint of A. Now x is equal to A inverse into B, which is nothing but 1 divided by value is 9 into A inverse is 7 3 minus 1 minus 3 0 3 2 minus 3 1 into value of B 6 11 0 6 11 0, which is nothing but what? 1 by 9. This value is nothing but 7 into 6 42 minus 33 plus 0 after 18 0 0 after minus 6 plus 33 plus 0 1 by 9 42 minus 33, what is the value? 9 18 as it is, and 27 which implies the value of x is nothing but x y z. X y z is equal to the value of 1. 9 was 9 2 9 1 2 3. Therefore, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to what? 3. Z is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is nothing but 6. The value of xyz is equal to 1 2 3 1 2 3. Xy is equal to 1, 2, 3. This is the question where your job is to find the value of correct. This is the question where your job is to find the unknowns with the help of matrix method. Matrix method. Next, one more concept is the very simple problem I have to find. Find A inverse. Correct? Example: if A is equal to 2, 3, 1, minus 3, 2, 1, 5, minus 4, minus 2, find A inverse. Find A inverse. Using A inverse, solve the system of equation. Solve the system of equations. 2x minus 3y plus 5z which is equal to 11. 3x plus 2y minus 4z is equal to minus 5. X plus y minus 2z which is equal to minus 3, which is equal to minus 3. Solution. But what is our job? Our job is to find A inverse. Using A inverse, solve the system of equations. That is enough. Correct? We know A inverse is equal to adjoint of capital A divided by determinant of A. Adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Before, cofactor of 1, cofactor of 2, which is equal to function is plus, which is nothing but minus 4 plus 4, which is equal to 0. Minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. After that, cofactor of minus 3. Cofactor of minus 3 is equal to, position is minus, this value and this value get close, minus 6 plus 4, which is nothing but 2. Cofactor of 5, position is plus 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. Position of the element that is 3, position is minus 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is equal to minus 1. Cofactor of 2, minus plus, this value is very close, minus 4 minus 5, which is equal to minus 9. Minus 9. After that, cofactor of 4, cofactor of minus 4, position is plus minus 2 plus 3, which is equal to minus 5. Correct? This value is 4. This value 2 minus 3 plus 5. Cofactor of 1, position is plus minus plus 12 minus 10, which is equal to 2. Cofactor of 1 minus 8 minus 15, which is equal to 23. Cofactor of minus 2 plus 4 plus 9, which is equal to 30. 4 plus 9 is equal to 30. Therefore, cofactor of A, which is nothing but the value which is nothing but 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, minus 1, minus 9, minus 5, 2, 23, 13, 2, 23, 13. 2, 23, 13. Therefore, adjoint of E. Therefore, adjoint of E, ADJ of E, which is nothing but the same matrix. The elements are reverse. That is nothing but 0 minus 1 2, 0 minus 1 2, 2 minus 9 23, 1 minus 5 13, 1 minus 5 1 minus 5 13. Now x is equal to a inverse into b, which is nothing but adjoint of capital A divided by determinant of b into b, which is nothing but x. Then what are the values of b? Where b is equal to where a is nothing but this matrix, like 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 minus 3 2 1 5 minus 4 minus 2, the value of 2 minus 4 minus 2. After that, x is x y z, x is nothing but x y z, x y z. After that, b is nothing but constant, b is nothing but constant is 11 minus 5 minus 3, 11 minus 5 minus 3. Then what is the job? Adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Before that, our job is to find determinant of A. Now determinant of A is equal to, right, now determinant of A is equal to determinant of 2 3 1 minus 3 2 1 5 minus 4 minus 2, which is nothing but 2 into minus 4 plus 4, right, minus 4 minus plus 3 minus 6 plus 4 plus 5 into 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, it is nothing 2 into 0 plus 3 into minus 2 plus 5, which is nothing but minus 6 plus 5, which is nothing but minus 1, which is the determinant of B, which is not equal to 0. So A must exist. A must exist. So A must exist. Then x is equal to, which implies x is equal to 1 divided by minus 1 into adjoint of A is nothing but 0 to 11. So 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, minus 1, minus 9, minus 5, minus 1, minus 9, minus 5, 2, 23, 2, 23, 2, 23, 30, 2, 23, 30, into the value of B is nothing but 11, minus 5, minus 3, 11, minus 5, minus 3, which is nothing but what? It is nothing but the value of x is equal to minus 1 into 0 into 0 0, after that 0 into 11 is 0, minus of minus plus 5 minus 6, after that 11 into 2 becomes 22, 22 plus 45 plus minus 69, after that 11 plus 25, 11 plus 25 plus minus 39, which is nothing but minus 1, after that 45 plus 22 becomes 67, 67 minus 2, that is minus 2, after that 25 plus 10 35, 35 plus 36 minus 3, which is nothing but what? 1 2 3, 1 2 3, this is the value of x, but which implies x is equal to what? X y z, which is equals to 1 2 3, 1 2 3, therefore x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and it is equal to what? This is the method. Our job is to find the value of the unknowns with the help of this. Find A inverse. What is the value of A inverse? A inverse exists. A inverse is nothing but adjoint of A divided by find A inverse. A inverse is nothing but this value. Or before you write, and answer is A inverse. A inverse is nothing but correct. Therefore, and A inverse. What is the value of A inverse? A inverse is nothing but adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. A inverse is nothing but adjoint of A divided by determinant of A, which is nothing but 1 divided by 1. Adjoint of A is nothing but what? Adjoint of A is nothing but what? 0 to 1. Correct? 0 to 1. Minus 1, minus 9, minus 5, 2, 23, 2, 23, 13, which is equals to 0, A inverse 0, and plus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus of minus is plus 9, minus 23, minus 1, plus 5, minus 30. This is the value of A inverse. The value of A inverse minus 0, 0, minus of minus plus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus of minus plus 9, minus 23, minus 1, minus of minus plus 5, minus 30. This is the value of A inverse. In the examination, you have to write this point also. A inverse. Correct? Value of inverse. Find A inverse they are asking. Next, the cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat and 2 kg rice is 60. Correct? I will give one hint to the question, and question itself is you have to solve. Correct? Question itself is you have to solve. The last question, example, the cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat, and 2 kg rice is rupees 60. The cost of 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat and 6 kg rice is 90. The cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat and 3 kg rice is rupees 70. Find cost of each item per kg by matrix method. Solution, I will give the hint. Solution is homework. Hint. The cost of per kg onion, per kg wheat and per kg rice will be rupees X, Y and Z respectively. So cost of 4 kg onion, that is 4x, 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat, that is 3y, and 2 kg rice, which is nothing but rupees 60. After that 2 kg, that is 2x, 4 kg wheat 4y plus 6 kg 6 z which is equal to 90. After that 6 kg 2 kg y plus 3 kg which is nothing but 70, which is nothing but 70. The you take this homework. This is the procedure where our job is to find the value of x, y, z. The x, y, z names indicates that per kg onion, per kg wheat and per kg rice respectively. I hope that this completes your topic, that is determinants. In the next session we move towards one of the important topic for the concept of mathematics, that is vectors. Vectors very, very important for the questions which may ask for 3 mark, 1 mark and 5 mark question in the main exam. Thank you.